What's up, guys? So Tim, one of our repeat customers, we already did his Model 3 before, his other Model 3, but now he picked up a used rear-wheel drive Model 3 with 92,000 miles. He hit us up because he needs to refresh the suspension. We need to inspect the lower control arms, the bushings. We need to replace his upper control arms. So the car's right there, and his new parts are right here. So check it out. We've got Tein Pro Plus shocks. We've got all brand new lower control arms, laterals, compliance, and front upper control arms. But now check this out. I inspected the passenger side. Let me show you guys exactly how bad these bushings are on a rear-wheel drive car. This will happen much faster on a dual motor car. So I don't know if you can get in here and see this, but look at this over here. Look at these compliance arm bushings. See this crack right here? And then over here, this is the lateral. So this bushing right here is the other culprit. So if we were to turn this, you would start seeing where it separates from here. And on the other side, it's even worse. So once we replace these things, he'll be good to go. His alignments will be better. His steering will be better. His ride will be better. And we'll show you guys the results once this thing's all done. Let's get it. Okay, guys, this baby's all done. Let's show you what we got in here. We got the Tein Pro Pluses, landed green, making it rain. Brand new front upper control arm. This is an upgraded arm, so it won't have that creaky noise with the factory arms. New lateral links right there. New compliance arm right here. And then in the back, all we got is a brand new shock in the back. These are damping adjustable, so we set it up nice and soft for him. Again, he's got a good 4-hour drive home, so it's going to be smooth sailing all the way. If you guys are interested in any of these products, we'll put links in the description below. But thanks for watching, and we appreciate your support. We'll see you on the next one.